Hello guys, it is FK here again on the YouTube. Assalamu alaikum. So as we have here the recently I have bought the Qmobile. It says it has the 5000 mAh battery, and here are some specs and features. The 2.4 inches display, smart camera, wireless FM radio, audio and video player, battery 5000 mAh. Yeah, now this is the specific quality of it. Cool. Memory support up to 16 GB and internet browser. So as personally I pursue that it is the most the revolutionary change in the bar mobile phones, or in the series. Okay, so just look through it. Okay, and it also says that 3 powerful LED torch and a big powerful speaker. So okay, so this is the Qmobile SP5000. So first I should just get back the SIM and the memory card, and I just insert the battery in. So just wait a second. Okay guys, as we have packed up with it, now just let's see that how it's power up. As I have put the battery and the SIM and the memory card before, so just let's boot up and keep the unboxing short. Okay. So this is the Qmobile SP5000. This is how it looks like. The cool fine, it's like the carbon fiber cover, as the carbon fiber finish on the back, but it really is plastic. And look at it, just take a look on the torch. Okay, this is nice. And I should check out some the other specs of it. I think I should lower some brightness. It is affecting our video. Display, LCD backlight. Yeah, no, that is bearable. Okay, so as we have seen, it has the fine icon, and the camera quality quite sustainable in a quite cheap price, in just 3500 rupees in Pakistan. And it has also a power bank option come with it, because obviously it has 5000 milliamperes, so definitely it's supposed the power bank. And some
special features of it, like the games, super battery, lock keypad blending, keypad blinking, blacklist, data protection, peer control, schedule and SMS. The magic word, that is the most interesting the feature of it, the magic voice. I love it actually. Okay, and the Facebook, the Qmobile here. So it is a the complete package. If you want something cheap, and if you want something powerful, so this is the most affordable and the most the prominent thing that you should buy in the keypad mobile, in the bar mobile phones. Okay, just take a look on the accessories. Okay, yeah, this is the slip that I bought, the 3500 rupees Qmobile model SP5000, 3500 rupees, purchased on 13/17. Okay, so now accessories. So we have here a 3.5 mm jack and the hands-free, and it's kind of they have decreased the quality, but somehow it works with it. Okay, fine. And there's a USB, micro USB cable. Okay, and yeah, the option with the power bank, they have given the OTG cable to connect with the power bank mobile SP5000 mobile. Here you go, it's the OTG cable. And yeah, also the power adapter, the most important thing that should be considered. Just take a look at it. It is not as usual. It is a common power adapter. It is the normal specs, as we see that 750 milliampere just, and it is, I don't know how it will it be the eligible to charge 5000 mAh battery, or it will take like as long as we think, but I think it is not suitable. Just maybe there should be the 1 milliampere of the charger with it, so that it would be capable of charging 5000. But either ways, so we have some paperwork here, so the PTA, the certified the stuff, and the Qmobile warranty card, SP5000. Yeah, and here's the customer care card, and it shows that where are their services, and the guidebook of Qmobile. So it gets along with the paperwork. Okay, so just stay with us, keep tuned, make sure to subscribe our channel, like the video. If you have any question, comment us, right? So that is all for the unboxing experience of Qmobile SP5000. So stay with us, keep tuned, stay tuned.